We run away to get us up when we're low. Just chase the waves. We'll make it up as we go.
Yeah, every day.
If you're heavy, I'll show you where to go. Won't you set free? We have no time for love.
Small town, big crowd, and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts, all we wanted was to escape. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving midnight. It's time for a change. Let's get out of here. We'll never look back. This is our time. We're leaving at midnight. Leaving at midnight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lara Annie, and I'm live in Nairobi City in Kenya. I'm going right now to the Maasai Market. I hope you guys enjoy the view when I get there. Stay tuned, guys. So I'm on my way to the Maasai Market in Kenya, Nairobi City. These are their 1,000 Kenya shillings notes. Yeah. So let me bring out the other currencies. This is 500 Kenya shillings. This is 100 Kenya shillings. So the cars we have here are right-hand drive, hence the difference in the lanes. The lanes are different compared to what we have in Nigeria, but apparently we have this kind of lanes in some other African countries. I just arrived in Maasai Market and I'm going in right now. I'll get to show you guys everything in the markets. Giraffes.
Yeah, from which country?
From Nigeria.
Abuja, oh?
No, Lagos.
Lagos. I have some nice stuff earring and some kulula. French magnet. This, can you knit it somewhere?
Yeah, like this.
Yeah. You see?
Okay, magnetic.
Yeah, magnetic. You are cocoa. You see?
To my fridge.
Yeah, for your fringe. I know you have a fringe.
Yeah,
That's Maasai. Yeah. If you that's a pair. You can take a pair if you want.
Comb.
Yeah, it's Kenyan technology. It's Kenyan technology.
Okay.
It's Abuja technology.
This is a necklace.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's too bright.
No, we have different colors. Yes, like this. Can you try?
Okay. Oh my
No,
God.
you'll be there.
And look, I ain't going to go.
Where will I wear this to?
But you have to wear crop top.
This
Yeah.
one you wear on special occasion when you are going for dinner. Yeah.
I'm thinking of what to do with it.
Huh?
I'm thinking what will I do with it.
Or with a sugar? This actually you can use as a tablecloth or maybe a bed. Or maybe.
Currently, I'm at the Kitchenette, Bistro and Cafe. Apparently, it's a Nigerian restaurant here in Nairobi, Kenya. These are my new bracelets that I got at the Maasai Market. Yeah, so I just arrived at Kitchenette, Bistro and Cafe. ordered amala. So I'm about to devour it. For more of life. This is the best I could do. I can't finish the food. So guys, I'm going hard shopping because I have some places to be tomorrow, which I'm very sure the sun is going to affect me. So I'll carry you guys along on my shopping for my hat. A really nice hat. Hopefully I get one that suits me. This is the worst traffic I've ever been in since I arrived in Kenya. Because like I arrived during the weekend, so I guess that's why the roads were free. But right now it's hell. Let me show you guys.
This one is okay.
This is extra large.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, that's okay with you.
Yeah, all right.
Do you have a mirror?
Yeah, there's a mirror behind
Okay.
you. Wait, there's a way.
You said? The other way. Oh, like this.
Yeah, like that.
Oh my boy, Tony. Oh my boy. What do you want?
I'm going for this.
Okay.
Breakfast. Breakfast. Yep. So I'm about to have breakfast. So I just had my breakfast and like I'm really full. I enjoyed myself to the fullest. Right now I'm heading to the Nairobi National Park and I'm also heading to the Giraffe Center. I'm going to see giraffes, I'm going to see hippopotamus, I'm going to see so many animals like I've never seen before. So I'm going to carry you guys along on this trip. I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, I'm very sure you guys enjoy it because I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, so the vehicle that's going to take me on my tour is around. Oh my god. Yep. Ooh. This house is making me look like a pastor. Hey guys. Apparently I like the sun, the direction of the sun right here. Wow. This is so beautiful. I hope it's as beautiful as I'm seeing it to be. Doing it now.
Oh, my name is Sammy and I will be your driver guide for the day today. So the program is we are starting with Nairobi National Park.
Okay.
Yeah, and then after the National Park, maybe we'll find a place for you to have lunch.
Okay.
And after lunch, we go to the Giraffe Center. So feel free, ask me any question. I just want your day to be perfect.
Okay.
So feel free to ask me any question. Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is Wilson Airport.
Yeah, this is Wilson.
Is it an international airport?
Yes, it is.
We don't have the bigger one.
Big, yeah. Or is it a local? Is it an international airport?
Yes,
This
it
one?
is.
Yes. They travel to Mombasa.
Mainly they are using it
For domestic
national,
flight.
yeah.
Yes.
Domestic flight.
So I just arrived at the Nairobi National Park. We're asked to wash our hands first, which I've done. So I need to use the restroom because I was told by the time I enter into the park proper, there won't be any restrooms there again. So the roof is open for us right now, so we can have better view of the animals.
Hey guys.
So this
We're
is
ready
my
to-
husband.
yeah.
In case you guys don't know, you might have seen him in the video, but this is him. His name is Dayo.
Hey guys, thank you for watching our video.
Animal, not a bird. Animal,
Animal.
any animal. My 2 eyes against your 4 eyes.
You see?
So cool, left and right. Will you look left and I look right? Which one?
No. So guys, we're actually, you know, spotting the animals.
Nairobi National Park. Yep. I'm on the search for animals. So those animals, do they feed them or they feed by themselves?
They feed by themselves.
They feed by themselves. Everything is natural.
Wow.
So they eat themselves. Oh,
They scared them away.
they are beautiful.
We have a very big crocodile there. I think there are two big crocodiles and so many birds. We have so many antelopes. There's a very big buffalo over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I've zoomed in on it. So big, but like it's lying down in between the grass, the field, so I can't really get a clear view. We're approaching a giraffe right now. Okay. So massive.
So when it passes close, then you make the sound. So you were asking about the age, yeah?
Yeah.
This is more than 10, I can say.
Wow. We have rhinos over there. It's really far and this is the closest I can get. I'm not really sure.
This is massive.
Cannot charge to the car.
Oh, okay.
We have like 3 subspecies of rhinos. So it's hard for these white ones to charge against the car, but the
Okay.
black ones can do that.
So, see, these ones cannot run.
They
They can't attack the car.
can run, but they cannot charge against the car unless really provoke them.
Okay. So we couldn't really talk when we're close to the animals because you know you have to give them their space, it's their territory, and then we're just visiting them. So those are the rhinos behind me. Approaching some ostrich. We can't really talk when we get there, but I'll record what I can.
You know, we're still looking for the lion, the cheetah, and the leopard. So when we see them, we'll let you guys know.
Stay tuned.
So most of the animals, if you see a lonely animal, that is a male one. Females, they'll be
Animal
together.
is lonely. The rhino is bigger than this. This is a buffalo. Follow me down. That is a buffalo behind me. Yep. So guys, I hope you guys have been enjoying the animal view I've been showing you guys since. I'm still on the lookout for other animals, so hopefully I get to see many more. I'm really excited. I'm already getting famished. I'm hungry. I can't wait to eat. So stay tuned as usual. So we have zebras over here all around me, as you can see. I've actually never seen a zebra before. This is my first time seeing one up close. So beautiful. OMG. Oh, there's a brown. It's not just black and white. It's brown and white. Wow, this is beautiful.
I'm not even scared.
So we were told that there was a lion around here very early in the morning. We're here to see it, but hopefully I get to see it. But if it is sleeping, I'm not sure I'll be able to see it. But let's keep looking. See the teeth, oh my god. The mouse can't even close. Hope he's not angry. So guys, I finally saw the lion that we were looking for. It was sleeping initially. But Dayo saw it and he shouted, I've seen it, I've seen it. Immediately he shouted, the lion woke up and we were scared. But all we had to do was just like keep quiet and let it do its thing. And then it started roaming around. I saw the lion in its glory. I'm so happy.
We came at the right time.
Right, and with her, so many animals.
Oh my God.
So I'm presently at Carnivore restaurant. I'm about to eat a different kind of meat, something I've not eaten before. I don't know what I'm going to pick yet. It's gonna be a crocodile. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so I'm about to try out different kind of meat. I can't wait. Like, I'm excited. I'm actually really hungry right now. So first on the menu is tomato soup. So I'm about to try it. There's no pepper there, so well, I think they put extra pepper if I need extra pepper. So let me try this. Tomato. Ooh.
You have salad and sauces.
Okay.
Go with the meat. No, you love just your soup. No problem. I don't take tomato. I want pepper. Chili
What?
pepper.
Chili pepper,
Yeah.
the green one.
Always.
Put it here.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's your salad and sausage. So this is another pepper also. This one.
That green, oh, chili.
Chili, yeah.
Very hot.
Very hot.
Salad and different kind of pepper, sauce, spice, everything basically.
A hot plate for the meat.
Okay.
Don't
good.
touch it. Very hot.
Yeah.
This one.
Chicken. So this is fresh juice, mango and passion. Yeah, two different fruits. Ooh. What meat is this?
Beef.
Beef. Okay.
You know beef.
Yeah, no proper. I know beef. Ooh.
Another one?
Yeah.
It's lamb, yeah?
Yes, you know.
Lamb.
Yes.
Keep it coming.
You don't mind.
I don't mind.
Drop it.
Ooh. Chili sauce. Just add pepper to the beef. Hopefully it's chili. They're cleaning us with enjoyment.
Excuse me, ostrich meatballs.
Ostrich meatballs.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
How many?
Two. What's the other thing?
The other one, you can guess what it is. You see, it's whitish,
Fat.
fishy,
Tilapia.
crocodile.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Wow. Yes.
Is that okay?
Give me one more. Yes, thank you.
How about
Crocodile
you,
meat.
Two ostriches
Yeah, please, a lot of crocodile.
and a lot of frog.
You want a lot of crocodile?
Yes.
Where's the beef sausage?
One.
Chicken wings.
Yeah.
I don't want chicken.
Two. It has pepper. It has
Rare meat.
the one you'll be seeing the blood.
Beef ribs.
Beef.
Yeah.
Okay, ribs, yeah. Thank you.
Ribs.
Just one.
One rib.
I'm already getting full. So I was giving Boo balls.
I'll be
Testicle. Oh, Boo, the cat. So guys, this is the best I could do. Actually, it was too much. Like they kept bringing different kind of meats back to back. The only way I could stop them was if I had dropped this flag. The flag was up before, so I had to drop it for them to know that I'm good, I'm okay, I'm fine, I don't need more meat. And I can't finish what I collected initially. So I'm waiting for desserts. Dessert is here, vanilla ice cream. Let's get to it. Thank you. Thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
That's the giraffe food.
Okay.
Then you feed one pellet at a time.
Will I use my hand?
Yeah. Just use the shell.
Okay.
Wait.
Mommy, come here, come here.
That would be very nice.
So this is a lady.
Yeah.
A lady.
The oldest.
The oldest.
Yeah, she's 21.
21.
21 years old.
How long do they live?
In captivity between 25 and 30 years.
In the wild?
Between 10 and 15 years.
Wow, why so short?
Because they're prone to a lot of dangers and threats out there.
Okay.
He doesn't get tired of food.
It's like candy. You know,
Okay.
Sweet, yeah. If you stay a little longer, see, it's okay. You can do that.
So you stay.
Yeah.
I'm not getting it.
Her name is Betty.
Her name is
Betty.
Betsy. Did they respond to their name? Betsy. So guys, I'm currently at the Giraffe Center and I just finished feeding some giraffes. I fed one actually, and then the other people were feeding the other one. I was scared at first, but after I started eating from my hands, I got more comfortable, I had more courage to continue feeding, and then I enjoyed it. I really had fun, so much fun. I'm so happy.
This is the vertebra of the giraffe. They said they have about 7 of these. That's why they have long necks.
And very strong necks.
And very strong necks. These are If they hit your head with this, you are gone. I can guarantee you that.
Yeah.
And this is the mouth. They have 32 teeth.
The lower jaw.
Lower jaw.
Yeah. And they can also kill a lion with just a single kick. This is just one part of the leg. The lower.
This is one part of the leg.
Yeah. It's pretty
Oh my
heavy.
God.
Is it
Kind
heavy?
Whoa, this is one part of the leg.
One part of the giraffe
Yeah.
leg. Oh my God.
The lower part.
Lower part of the
Lower.
leg.
Yeah.
That's
So-
this. Oh, okay. It's divided into two.
Yeah.
This part.
This part.
Hey, what does it weigh?
So that's why the kicks are not so good.
Yeah, you can kill somebody.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
If they can kill a lion that weighs about 250 kilos,
Kilos.
how
What
about
is a
us?
human being that weighs just 50, 70,
Yeah.
80 kilos? Wow.
Yeah.
Gee. So I got some t-shirts.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. So this is a wrap for my trip to Kenya. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my YouTube channel, thank you for coming. I hope you loved the video. Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Turn on my notifications so you get to know when I drop a new video. Also, feel free to drop your comments on my videos. I mean, you might have an opinion on my video. Feel free to drop your comments. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.